Hi everyone, I am back with this week's fun game. This is a spot prize. Well, it's not a spot prize, but it's a spot prize fun game is what I call them anyway. And this one is similar to the ones that we've done, but it's a little bit different in the way that it's going to be questions again. So it'll be one answer or the other, but it won't be by like elimination through rounds. What I'm going to do is add up the points that you get throughout the week. So for instance, so today you have a question, okay, which I shall tell you in a minute after I've showed you the goodies. And what you'll do is you will answer one or the other question for those of you that want to take part, and I will keep a tally of what answers you get right, and I'm going to run this until Sunday and see who's got the most points. Now if we have an outright winner with the most points, then of course you will win these prizes, and every day I'm going to add something new, so this isn't just what you're going to get. There will be something new every day, just so that you know we can keep this running throughout the week, because you've got a new question, so I'm going to add something new every day. If there are a couple of you with the same score, then we will do a penalty shootout kind of thing where we ask a question until we get an outright winner like we did last week. So all you've got to do at the moment is every day I'm going to ask a question, you need to answer one or the other, and I'm going to keep a tally of which ones you get right, and by the end of the week we'll see who has the most points. So it's going to kind of keep you all playing to the end, because last time people got knocked out after the first day, and this way you don't know, you know, you've got a chance all week to catch up if people get a run of bad, you know, answers, etc. So let me show you the goodies, and then I shall tell you today's question. So I've put in these are just blank, and these are bags that I've made just from another old brown bag, and then I've left these so that you can actually decorate these up yourself, and they're like little just like little brown bag envelope things. I'll show you one just so that you can see what it looks like, and then you can decorate these up how you want. So there's a couple of these, and look, they're little cute little bags for your journal, so I've put a couple of those in. Okay, I have some handmade tuck spot pockets. This is a very lovely Parisian vintage look tuck spot pocket, and then we have this lovely tuck spot pocket, a large one actually, as well, so you can put them in your journals. An old bingo card, one of these, what are they? Oh, clocking in cards. You got one of those. I have one of my stuffed pockets, but as you can see it's not stuffed, because I thought you might want to, you know, stuff it yourself, and I can always put things in as the week goes along, so it will probably be stuffed by the end of the week. But this is gorgeous. I have this wonderful fabric that I found, and I just love it. It's just so pretty. So there's this lovely pocket that will be stuffed, and I have this lovely satin sort of, sorry, Charles been pain, satin fabric scraps there, which are fun to do something with. A couple of these like what would you call them, charm things that I've made, and this one is from an actual vintage photo that I've shrunk down and turned into like a little charm, just with glossy accents. And a floral one, I haven't punched a hole and put a thing in that one, but you might want to do something different with that one. And I have this cute little birdie, stop it, oh you are being naughty, which says make your dreams come true. So there's some lovely goodies here, and like I said, I will be adding more throughout the week, so this is just day one. This is today's question. So what is my favourite flower? Is it a lily or a gladioli? Now you can only have like the one guess obviously a day, so it's either one answer or the other. I'm not going to tell you if you got it right, I'm just going to tally it all up for those of you that want to take part. Obviously, it's in your interest to watch every day because there's going to be a new question every day. But if you do miss one, it doesn't matter because you still might catch up. So for those of you who want to take part, just leave a comment below with your answer. And good luck, everyone. And I shall see you all tomorrow. And don't forget to have a look at my subby challenge for April and May, because it is a big one. There are a lot of things to give away in that challenge. Okay, all right, my lovelies, you have a lovely day, and I shall see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.